Hello everyone, welcome back to another video everyone. As you know, this is my second video of today on 5 December 2024, and as you know, this is new adventure story where you from you just make fun of yourself, entertain, and learn some word meanings, lesson some good things, positive things from this video. As you know, I am making this video just for you, so just imagine this. As you know, this is just an adventure story. Okay, so just imagine this. Let's start. A maze is so massive it stretches for miles, and the price for being the last to leave, staggering $1 million, $1 million sounds intaking, right? But what happens inside that maze goes far beyond just the money. As contestants step in, they are not just navigating walls and pathways, they are confronted with their own limitations. Each twist and turn forces them to face fear of failure, fear of the unknown. But here is the catch: every wrong turn teaches a lesson. It's a metaphor for life. We often get lost in our own mazes, whether it's a career choices, relationships, or personal growth. As they push through obstacles, contestants discover resilience they did not know they had. They learn that success is not just about reaching the destination, it's about the journey and the lessons learned along the way. Every setback becomes a stepping stone award towards self discovery. And let's talk about teamwork. Some contestants from alliances sharing tips and encouragement. They realize that calibration can lead to breakthroughs, echoing the importance of community in our own lives. Sometimes we need others to help us find our way out of our personal mazes in the world. While only one person walks away with the million dollars, every participant leaves with something far more valuable: insights into their strengths and weaknesses, a deeper understanding of perseverance, and an appreciation for the journey itself. So next time you feel lost in your own maze, remember this: it's not just about finding your way out, it's about learning who you are along the way. Embrace the challenge, because every twist and turn is a lesson waiting to be learned. Okay, bye for now.